Hello everyone. For today's course, we're going to build artistic pole pattern, which is very commonly used for architecture facade design and like interior design and industry design and many other design industries. For example, this modern architecture facade. This style is very popular these days. You just use any picture you want and transfer this picture into the whole pattern with Grasshopper. Now today we're gonna explain how we can achieve this effect. So let's get started. So first I delete this model and go to the normal view, jump to the top view. Okay, open Grasshopper. I already built the calculator formula already. So let me explain this calculator one by one. So first you need to set out a grade. The grade is set in set sector and vector sector, sorry, this here, square. And then I give the length of x-axis along x-axis is 60, along the y-axis is 40. And then we set out a point. It's here. Now we can find all the interreaction of each line and replace by the point. Now we need to import a picture. That's a new calculator. I will show you how to import a picture. So I delete this first. Okay, now here, image sample. So, and then right click, setting. Here's the file path. Now import the picture you like, this one. Since each cell, I close it first. These cells, to show you here, one locally defined value is 1. So each cell, the length of each cell is 1. So setting again, import the picture. So we need to match the point matrix. So the x domain, we need to set up 0 to 60. For the y domain, 0 to 40. Okay. Now the channel, that's very important. There's a red channel, green channel, and blue channel. We can choose anyone you want. So let's just the green channel. The reason we need to choose a channel is form or the color element into one color. So there's a darker, and there's a lighter, and there's lightest, and there's a darkest. That's very easy for the computer to process. Where is the darkest part? Where is the lightest part? So we give it the point to the picture, and we need to set up the circle. Match this picture. So I'll give this. Sorry, link wrong. So disconnect. That should be given to radius, and the point will be the central point of each circle. Now, see, it showed up, but we need to adjust the radius of each circle. So we need to multiply a number less than 1. So we can adjust the radius, make the radius adjustable. So use multiply. Sorry, math. It looks like a multiply, by the way. So give it to 0.25 So this the radius and multiply a number and give it to the radius. So it's adjustable. But you actually can adjust it directly. But what if, if you are bigger than 0 to 5, since each cell, the length of each cell is 1. If you're bigger than 0.5, the circle can be attached to the others. So how to make it more strict? So I will explain the formula downstairs. So I delete it. Delete this one. Doesn't use this now. So we set out the multiply first, and the number, this is the same. Now, this is the new tool we need to use in math sector here, and the minimum. That calculator means when you set up a number 0.5, when you adjust this slide, like 0.6, you will choose the number as minimum. The minimum number is 0.5. So let us see how it goes. I give it to the radius and to process, and give it the multiply. Okay, so that's 0.5 around. If you adjust to 0.7, see, it won't be attached. All the numbers bigger than 0.5 will be automatically down to 0.5. That's the function of this calculator. So I choose maybe 0.4. It should be alright. Now, okay, when we down all those things, so the pattern has been born. So we use the edge to form a surface, the boundary surface. Here, this tool, and make all the circle into a surface. Then extrude. Give a direction, give the length, and extrude. Now, see how it goes in perspective view. Okay, and then you can get a model. Okay, close it. Now, we need to use this solid, because it has been solid now, to subtract the cube. So I set up the cube here. Okay, and give it a thickness. Okay. Now move it to a suitable place. Okay. Now we need to use the bloom tool in solid tool. Okay. Select surface, polysurface to subtract from. So select that. Right click and select all this solid. Now we just need to wait. Yeah, we got the model we want. Okay, then let's go to the render mode. Okay, and give this the material, plastic already set up. Align to the object. The color is the green grade and select the texture as those, the size XXS. Now we got the model we want.